What's up guys, it's Jenna G, that's me, the hijabi from TNT. Welcome back to my channel. If you guys want to see how I made this delicious looking beef lo mein, continue watching. So the ingredients for our beef lo mein is so pretty straightforward. We've got the beef, of course, that I cut into small pieces, and I actually put some meat tenderizer in this, left it in the refrigerator for a couple of hours. To this, I'm going to be adding some garlic powder. I'm going to be adding some cayenne pepper, some Chinese seasoning. The vegetables I'm going to be using: cut cabbage, I cut it up already, some carrots, sweet peppers, onions, grated garlic, some pimento, and I have my noodles, of course, here. Now the sauce I'm going to be adding to this dish, we're going to be using soy sauce for it, a little bit of oyster sauce, some sesame oil, of course, and we're going to be adding a little more Chinese seasoning if necessary. So we've got our water almost at a boil here, ready for our noodles to cook. And this is just going to be so simple, so straightforward, easy for you guys to try out and also enjoy. So we've got our noodles up and boiling. I am not adding any salt to this because the Chinese seasoning we're going to be using contains salt, so you don't want your dish to come out salty. I've got my pot up, and let's get ready to put together everything else while the noodle continues to cook. So to my hot pan, I am adding some coconut oil, and then I'm going to add my grated garlic and pimento. Then I'm going in with the onions. Next, I'm going to add the beef. So I'm going to cover the pot and I'm going to let this cook through properly. Now when we do check and let's say it needs some more cooking, to speed it up, what you can do is add it to the pressure cooker. And to our beef now, we're just going to be adding the carrots. The carrots will take a little longer to cook, so I'm going to add that first and let this continue cooking. I'm going to cover the pot. I'm keeping the heat between low and medium. And I'm just going to let that steam through. If it needs to get some water to prevent any sort of burning or sticking, we can add some water. So it's been about 2 minutes. Now I'm adding in these sweet peppers and I'm going to add the cabbage. So I'm going to cover it again and I'm going to let this cook down until all the veggies are nice and tender. And I'm keeping the heat between low and medium. Alright, so now I'm going to be adding some soy sauce and some sesame oil and also a touch of oyster sauce. I'm adding some of my Chinese seasoning and also a little bit of garlic powder. I'm going to give this a toss. And now I'm going to add in my noodles. Toss everything around. You can turn off your stove. Just give everything a nice toss. And you've got yourself an easy beef lo mein dish. Now if you guys want to add some fresh parsley to this, you can go ahead and do it. Add anything, any fresh herbs you like. But this is just going to be a simple beef lo mein dinner for me today. Looks so good and it smells amazing. Alrighty guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this beef lo mein video. I hope you guys give it a try out, see how easy it is to make. It looks delicious. We've got the vegetables in there, we've got the carrots and the sweet peppers, we've got the beef. Just remember, you can use chicken instead of the beef. If you don't eat beef, experiment with chicken. You can add as much green herbs if you want, fresh herbs. We kept it pretty simple today. And yeah, now it's just time to enjoy this delicious lo mein. So thanks so much for watching guys, and I will see you all in the next video.